red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1, 2, 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. The alphabets of A and use red color, red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Kids again use red color and draw. D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. Kids again use red color and draw. F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. G. G for goat, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. Kids again use red color and draw. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. It's neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use yellow color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids again use yellow color and draw. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids again use yellow color and draw. O. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use yellow color and draw. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids neither R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. And use black color, black color. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use black color and draw. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. The alphabets of U. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids again use black color and draw. X. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids again use black color and draw. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color, blue color. O. N. E. 1, 2. T. W. 2. Kids again use blue color and draw. 3. T. H. R. W. 3. 4. F. O. U. R. 4. Kids again use blue color and draw. 5. F. I. V. E. 5. 6. S. I. X. 6. 7. S. E. V. E. and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw. 8. E. 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10. The last numbers of 10. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, white color. Kids eye coloring numbers. Kids first letter 1 and use red color O N E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2 T W 2. 3 T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5 F I V E 5. Kids write 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7 S E V E and 7. 8 E I G H T 8. Kids again use yellow color and draw 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10 T E N 10. The numbers of 10. Kids write 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color, blue color. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use blue color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and last letter 15. The numbers of 15. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids eye coloring 2D shapes. Kids first letter Easter. The shape of Easter and use red color, red color. The shape of Easter. Kids write a pentagon. The shape of pentagon and use yellow color, yellow color. The shape of pentagon. Kids write a square. The shape of square and use blue color, blue color. The shape of square. Kids write a triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color, black color. The shape of triangle. Kids write a circle. The shape of circle and here is green color, the shape of circle, kids, let's do the trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid, and here is white color, the shape of trapezoid. Kids, today learn star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Circuit to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.